Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 7th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. And we are on the 4 hour time frame to start with. Because on the 4 hour time frame, we're trying to figure out whether this is an ABC correction to this last push down, and we're going to go to a Fibonacci level and then turn back down, making new lows, or whether this really is a wave C and this really is now just in a brand new uptrend that will go up and take out these highs right here. Either scenario, I would definitely still be suggesting longs on shorter time frames. If this is a wave C, let me scrunch this down a little bit. If this is a wave C, then what will happen is you'll get a breaker structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level if it's a wave C. So if you see this picture, definitely go back to looking for shorts. If it's a wave 3, you're still going to bounce from fib levels, but you will not break structure. You'll end up making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and higher lows. So for now, I definitely recommend enjoying the trend and looking for longs. And if it turns out to be a wave 3 and you're looking for longs, then that's definitely not going to create an issue. If anything, you'll just make more money. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.